Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to let you guys know about the most anticipated earning releases for this week, the upcoming week of January 25th, 2021. I know a lot of you guys have asked me about the actual dates, so I will be kind of, I guess, saying that from now on. And this week is actually pretty important because we do have a lot of tech, we do have a lot of banks actually releasing their earnings for, I think, quarter four, I think, which was last year. So super excited. The banks are some of the more important ones that we're actually looking for. Tech is also very important, but banks are going to be one of the more important ones to look at because it gives us a sentiment of the overall market. On Monday, we actually have First Bank. We do have Yamana Gold, which is a pretty big play. Apart from that, I don't know any other ones that I'm looking at specifically. Maybe Bank of Hawaii. For Tuesday, obviously, we have GE, we have AMD, we have Microsoft, we have really big players. We have Johnson & Johnson, 3M, Texas Instruments. Kind of gives you a gauge of where like retail is and education and stuff. And then Capital One and American Express are going to be two of the heavy hitters to look out for the Tuesday market. I will probably release some sort of unusual option activity for more than likely all of these companies, all the ones that I'm specifically looking at. If you guys want me to release any unusual options activity for any of these, or to look or have my code look out for anything, let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely look for those, but just make sure to give me a comment, because we do have a lot of very important companies releasing earnings this week, which can definitely change the overall sentiment of the market. On Wednesday, we have Boeing and Tesla and Apple and Facebook. We do have the NASDAQ, which is not 100% too important. And then we also do have, let me see, on Wednesday, anything important? Maybe Levi's. I don't think again, just kind of gauge at what, just kind of gauge at where retail is, Thursday, we have Visa, which is an insanely important company to look out for, because it actually lets us know what the sentiment is of the retail spender for quarter four of last year, which is what we're looking for. We're trying to see what people are actually spending their money on. If actual retail spending is high, it would be good for the overall market, just because there's consistent money flow. But if retail spending is low, that means that maybe a lot of these people are actually putting their money in savings, or more than likely putting it into stocks, which would also be pretty good. So I do see it as kind of like a 10-10 win. But we'll talk a little bit more about it a little bit later. And then on Friday, we do have, I don't really see anything that interests me on Friday. Maybe Honeywell, just to kind of look at the overall, kind of like the home market, because I know Honeywell develops a lot of electronics and electrical outlets and stuff for homes and stuff. So we can kind of gauge the real estate kind of by how much Honeywell is actually selling. Overall, market is looking pretty good. This is an extremely important week. So, if you guys have anything that you're going to play, let me know. I will be releasing unusual options activity for a lot of these companies that I'm looking for. Definitely for Yamana Gold, for 3M, AMD, all the tech companies that are going to be here. For the most part, it's going to be mostly tech, maybe some retail, and then we kind of go from there. And then if you guys want me to look at something specifically, then you guys can always just ask me in the comments and stuff. But as always, just wanted to update you guys. I'll see y'all later.